In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that many Instagram users are curious about: how to hide your followers and following lists on Instagram. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open Instagram if you haven't already. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Step 3. Now, tap the 3 lines button in the top right corner to open the menu options. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Next, tap on Account Privacy. Step 6. Here's the magic switch: toggle private account to the on position. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to make your account private and hide your profile details from the general public. Confirm this to proceed. With this setting enabled, your followers and following lists will now be hidden from the general public. Only those whom you've approved as followers or friends on Instagram will be able to see these lists. When your account is set to private, other Instagram users who you haven't specifically allowed to follow you won't be able to see any specific details about your account. This includes your posts, followers, following, stories, reels, and status. And there you have it. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your privacy on Instagram and have more control over who sees your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any other Instagram related topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.